So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Harshwal working at LEXIS and Company Law Firm as a junior associate. So today in this video we are going to discuss, as you know, we all know wife always have right to get maintenance. Sometimes husband also have right to get maintenance. But in this video we are not going to discuss those two topics. We are going to discuss in this video right of a father on maintenance from his own son, right? So before doing any further delay, let's start our discussion. It is is it the responsibility of a son to take care of his parents? Can parents ask their son to provide them this monthly maintenance? What if their son agrees to provide maintenance? Basically, what if he agrees to provide the? So another question you can ask is what the son agrees to provide. Agrees to provide maintenance only if his parents stay with him, or and deny it if they live separately, right? So many such questions right in our day-to-day life. Anyone can ask such questions and can arise in your mind, right? Every alternate day disputes arise when a son does not take care, does not take appropriate care of his parents. Should you do in such, what should you do in such cases? Suppose you are also parent, and and if something like this has happened with you or is going to happen with you, what will you do as a as a son? So, do you know, in such a case, recently Bombay High Court delivered a landmark judgment discussing law regarding this, right? So, in this video, we are also going to discuss the landmark judgment given by Bombay High Court recently. The court in this case, in such a situation, in this case, basically said that it is the responsibility of a son to take care of his parents and provide them with, fixed monthly maintenance. In this blog we will be, in this video, basically we will be discussing, we will discuss about the judgment of the Bombay High Court. If you are also going through the same issues with your son, then you can ask him to provide you with fixed monthly maintenance. This is your right. That's what the Bombay High Court said. That so the name of the case is Jagannath BB versus Haribau BB, right? Or 2022. In July 2022, the High Court of Bombay discussed this law regarding son's responsibility for maintenance in this case. So before first we are going to discuss the brief facts of this case. Then later on we will discuss the judgment what the court has said. So a man had 3 daughters and 1 son, and his wife used to live with his. So a man had 3 daughters and 1 son, and his wife used to live with his son and her daughter-in-law. His daughters were also married, but he used to live with her. He used to live alone and had no source of independent income. The father approached the court under section 125 of CRPC and demanded that his son earns a good amount of money, so his son should provide him with him maintenance, right? So the magistrate gave the judgment that the son should give his father monthly 5,000 rupees every month as maintenance. The son went to the appellate court to file a revision petition against this order. He mentioned that his father sold a property from which he received a huge amount of money. Therefore, there is no need for him to provide his father with maintenance, right? The appellate court favored the son and dismissed the decision of the magistrate. The court declared that the son need not to pay maintenance to his father. That's what the appellate court has said that. But later the matter goes to the High Court of Bombay High Court. So what the Bombay High Court has said that in this case the father approached the High Court of Bombay against the order of the appellate court. His father mentioned 2 grounds for receiving maintenance. The first ground is, this is very important to note down, you can note it down, and if you are a young advocate, you are practicing advocate, or you are in a research team of a law firm, you can refer this case and you can note down these very important points. The father raised first point is, even if the father received money after selling the property, it does not mean that the son is free from his responsibility of providing maintenance to his father. As a child, his father took care of him and his expenses. Therefore, the son should also support his father in his old age. The second point: why should the father stay with him to receive maintenance? His father has his independent and can choose independence and can choose to stay where wherever he wishes to, right? And he provides the reason that his son and his daughter-in-law treat him so son and daughter-in-law ill treat him, so he does not want to he doesn't wish to stay with them. That's what these two in these points on these 2 points he relied upon, and he raised before the Honorable High Court of Bombay. The High Court of Bombay delivered the judgment in favor of the father. The court said that whether his father sells his property or not, it does not matter. According to section 125 of CRPC, the son must provide maintenance to his father as he is unable to maintain himself, and also the son cannot force his father to live with him to receive maintenance. Whether his father stays with him or not, son is liable to give maintenance to the father. Therefore, the High Court ordered the son to provide fixed monthly maintenance to his father. The court also reminded, reminded the appellate court not to pass such judgment and remember the basic meaning of section 125 of CRPC. Basically, the court gives clear instructions to the appellate court to in nearby future so that they do not pass such judgments. And appellate court is court that hears appeals against a judgment of a trial court or of a lower court. So that's what the definition of appellate court. So let's discuss what is section 125 of CRPC. Although we had discussed, so we are going to discuss the brief of this section. This is very important. All the maintenance cases are being filed under section 125 of CRPC. According to this section, if you are unable to maintain yourself, whether you are a wife or a husband or a senior citizen, mother, father, then you can file application in the respective court. With the help of this section, the person responsible for you will have to provide you with maintenance every single month, right? For example, if a wife unable to support herself, then her husband will be directed to give her maintenance. It is a duty of a husband to provide maintenance to his wife, and duty of a son also under this section to provide maintenance to his parents, whether mother or father. So what is the conclusion? Basically, the conclusion is section 125 guarantees of CRPC guarantees that if parents or parents of a son are unable to maintain themselves, then it is the responsibility of the son to give monthly maintenance to his parents. It does not matter whether his parents live with him or not. Also, along with section 125, there is maintenance and welfare of parents and senior citizens under Act section 2007 of Act 2007. Through this act, a parent can file an application to the concerned SDM, sub-divisional magistrate, if child is ill-treating them. If judge approves the misery of the parents, then it will it may award them up to 10,000 rupees monthly maintenance. The parents can also remove the son from their property if their son does not treat them basically properly. So that's what the Bombay High Court has said, that it is a very important judgment for you to understand. Do share this video with your close ones. Do hit like, comment in the section if you have any query related to this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.